My name is Singh from class 4th B, and here I am going to make compost. So here are the materials required for compost. Waste of tomato, peels of onion, waste of old newspaper, waste of cooked dal and rice, papaya peels, water, mud and plastic bottle. Now here we have already taken some mud. Now we will add waste here. So this is the cooked dal and rice. Here we will add whole. Now here we will add some old waste of newspaper. We'll add whole. Now we'll add some onion peels. Then we will add waste of tomato. We'll add whole. Then we will add papaya, peels of papaya. You can add seeds as well as. Now we'll mix. You have to mix it with very light hand. You have to mix it with a very light hands. So now we'll put this in this plastic jar. Now we'll sparkle little bit of the water into our compost. Every day have to sparkle little bit of the water every morning because it should not be get dry. If it will get dry, the process will over to be compost. Now it's done. Now our compost is ready to be in a form. Hi everyone, we are back after 6 days and let's give a look to our compost. Now you can see this is our compost and I have digged it before making this video to show you perfectly. Now I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of mud. Now you can see this mud is turning to little bit blackish color and it means that the process is going in a good way. Now you can see I'm putting it to show you perfectly. Now you can see that our mud, it's little bit turning to the blackish. Now you can see our mud is turning to little bit blackish color and it's giving a good texture. And it means that your compost is in the process to being ready. And it's a good sign. Now, hi everyone, this is our 15th day and our compost is ready as the process is over. So let's give a look to our compost. Let's give a look to our compost. I'm taking it off from the bucket. Now you can see here, this is our compost as it is ready. So you can see its beautiful texture and you can see its color like a real compost, the black color. And let's see the condition of all of the 3 days of a soil. Now you also make the compost and enjoy. Thanks for watching.